Mm.
So, very good evening and welcome to this special lecture on importance of inner engineering through spirituality applicable in technical engineering. So, in today's special lecture, we will explore how spirituality and inner development can enhance technical excellence, innovation, leadership, and professional success in engineering. Let us have the program overview, basic introduction. Generally, engineering is often associated with machines, technology, manufacturing, and innovation. However, every engineering solutions originated from the human mind. All inventions are being developed from the human mind based on the thought process and proper planning and execution. While technical education equips us with knowledge and skills, it may not always prepare us to manage stress, emotions, relationships, and life challenges. Inner engineering helps to bridge this gap by developing mental clarity, emotional balance, and self awareness. So, let us deep dive further to the next level. So, what does exactly the inner engineering mean by? Inner engineering refers to the process of optimizing our inner dimensions, specifically, say, our thoughts, emotions, attitudes, and energy levels. Just as engineers optimize only missions for better performance, as an individual, they can optimize themselves for greater effectiveness and happiness. When our inner systems function effectively, we become more focused, highly productive, creative, and resilient in facing outside challenges. Let us understand the term spirituality. Spirituality is often misunderstood in many several places as religion or rituals. In reality, spirituality is about self awareness and conscious living. It helps us to understand who we are, how we think, and how we respond to the current situations. For engineers, spirituality provides a strong foundation for ethical decision making, responsible innovation, and purposeful living. Why engineers need inner engineering? What was the main significant importance of inner engineering for engineers in workplace? Modern engineers operate in high pressurizing competitive environments. They face a lot of project deadlines, technological disruptions, increasing expectations, and constant pressure to perform their daily work. Without proper inner management, the stress and anxiety can affect productivity and creativity. Inner engineering provides practical tools to remain calm, focused, and effective even in demanding situations. So, what are the four dimensions of human excellence? Let us see in brief. Human excellence is built on four dimensions. First is the body, which represents physical health and well being. Second is the mind, which governs thinking, analysis, and concentration. Third is emotions, which influence relationships and teamwork. And fourth is energy, which drives motivation and self actualization. So, when these four dimensions are properly balanced, individuals can perform at their highest potential in workplace. Now let us discriminate the term between inner engineering and problem solving. Problem solving is one of the most important responsibilities of engineers. Complex engineering problems require clear thinking, logical analysis, and creativity. A disturbed or stressed mind often overlooks critical details. In contrast, a calm and balanced mind can analyze situations objectively, identify the root causes accurately, and generate effective solutions. Let us have the difference between spirituality and creativity. Innovation begins with imagination. Many groundbreaking inventions emerged from moments of deep reflection and insight. Spiritual practices such as meditation that helps to reduce mental noise and improve focus. This creates an environment where creativity flourishes and innovative ideas emerge naturally. For engineers, creativity is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Emotional intelligence for engineers. How engineers have to handle all situations without losing their emotions. So let us discuss much further. Engineering projects generally involve people as much as technology. Successful engineers must communicate effectively, collaborate with teams, and manage conflicts constructively. Emotional intelligence helps individuals understand their own emotions and the emotions of others. Inner engineering strengthens empathy, patience, communication, and teamwork, which are the essential qualities in today's workplace. Let us now have a note on stress management. Stress has become a common challenge everywhere in both academic and professional life. Examinations, project deadlines, workplace expectations, and career uncertainty can create a significant pressure. Practices such as meditation, mindful breathing, and self reflection help reduce stress and improve mental well being. A stress free engineer is more productive, focused, and innovative. The next thing is engineering ethics and spiritual values. So, engineering decisions often affect human lives, environmental sustainability, and social well being. Therefore, ethical behavior is a fundamental requirement. Spiritual values such as honesty, integrity, accountability, and responsibility provide a strong moral foundation. Engineers who uphold these values contribute positively to society and earn long term professional respect. So, importance of leadership through inner engineering. Leadership is not merely about only authority, it is about influence and inspiration. Effective leaders possess vision, emotional maturity, and self confidence. Inner engineering develops self awareness and emotional stability, enabling leaders to make balanced decisions and guide teams successfully. The best engineering leaders first master themselves before leading others. Let us see the importance of inner engineering application in mechanical engineering. In mechanical engineering, the inner engineering concepts can be applied across various multiple domains. Say in design engineering, it promotes innovation and creativity. In manufacturing, it improves focus and process optimization. In maintenance engineering, it develops patience and systematic thinking. In project management, it strengthens communication and team coordination. Thus, inner engineering complements technical expertise in every engineering functions. Let us now see view on Industry 5.0 and human-centric engineering. We are entering the era of Industry 5.0. Unlike Industry 4.0, which focus on only automation and digitalization, Industry 5.0 emphasized collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. Future engineers must combine technical knowledge with human values, emotional intelligence, and ethical responsibility. Inner engineering prepares professionals for this human-centric technological future. We shall now see the importance of mindfulness in engineering practice. Mindfulness means paying complete attention to the present moment. In engineering practice, mindfulness improves concentration, quality, and safety. It helps engineers to identify the errors in the work very earlier so that we can avoid costly mistakes and maintain high performance standards. Mindful engineers are more aware, more responsible, and more effective in their work. Next thing is daily engineering practices. Inner engineering can be practiced daily through simple habits. Begin the day with gratitude and meditation, maintain focused attention during study or work, reflect on lessons learned at the end of the day, practice positive visualization before sleep. These small practices create significant improvements over time. Let us now have some real case examples. Consider two engineers with similar technical qualifications. The first engineer experiences frequent stress, poor communication, and burnout. Second engineer practices mindfulness, manages emotions effectively, and maintains a positive mindset. Over time, the second engineer achieves greater professional success, stronger relationship, and better overall well-being. This demonstrates the power of inner engineering in the workplace. So, what could be the future competencies of engineers? The future belongs to engineers who combine the technical excellence with personal excellence. Technical competencies include artificial intelligence, robotics, data analytics, and automation. Equally important are inner competencies such as emotional intelligence, resilience, ethics, self awareness, and adaptability. Success in the future will require both dimensions. So these are the following key takeaways for the today's special lecture session. Let us summarize the today's discussion. Inner engineering helps engineers to improve concentration, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and ethical decision making. It reduces stress, anxiety, and enhances productivity. The formula for successful, sustainable engineering is very simple. Technical expertise plus spiritual intelligence equals engineering excellence. So now we came to the final end of the today's session. So before I complete, so let me have the, the perception according to my viewpoint. In conclusion, engineering transforms the external world through innovation and technology. Inner engineering transforms the engineer through self-awareness and self-mastery. While technical knowledge is combined with spiritual wisdom, engineers become responsible innovators, ethical leaders, and valuable contributors to the society. So with the above information, I thank all the participants for your kind patience and attending the program for today. Once again, I welcome you all for the next subsequent the lecture series. Thank you all.